can't watch this video.
What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another rally reaction. We're super excited to get into this video, guys. But if you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell. Because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys, alright? So without further ado, let's get into today's video.
And jump here, caution, 3 right, 1 on the outside. Now watch this up. 3 right, 1 on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires. 80 down.
Oh, that's the passenger.
Pause. Pause. This is the video?
Yes. I don't know.
Yo.
I don't know. They something to it.
Anxiety just went out the roof.
It took me a minute to realize what was going on. We're in the car.
Like, imagine having somebody on the side of you screaming at you, telling you what to do. The whole time.
You don't have to imagine. I do that all the time.
That is funny. That is too funny.
Thing here now. Watch as she can. That's the start.
That would be me laughing. Like, what is it? We almost got hit.
Yeah,
we
for
almost
real.
hit the boat. That would be me. He got his shirt off and everything. Ooh, wait a minute.
Come on, man. You see
Wait
that?
a minute. Yes, I saw it.
That car was supposed to do something. That was damaged right there. That was damaged.
Jesus, he coming with missing parts on the car.
Yeah, I was.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Imagine you just sitting down and the car just come flying on top of you. Oh no.
I'm scared to play that back.
Is this GroupB?
I'm scared to play that one back. I kind of want to play it back. I didn't see that coming.
Oh Jesus!
I'm gonna play it back, man.
I ain't gonna watch.
We're gonna try to take this one more last look at this scene right here, cause I did not see that coming. Like, you seen the car came with parts missing, and before they got hit, I was thinking to myself before I thought out loud. Yeah, I was getting out the way if I ever seen a car coming near me and the pieces all broken off.
I told y'all the best place to watch is at home.
That's what they do. That's what happened. I think there was like 4 people.
More than 4.
I heard there was no kid. I heard like a little.
I heard a yell.
I know, right?
Oh. Ooh, I hope they'll hurry.
Right, man.
The spectators is just as crazy as the drivers.
They backing up, boy. Boy, that would've. Man.
My Lord. Oh! Get out the way.
Man.
He's slow. I don't know what he's doing. I can't watch this video. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. This is too much. Who put this video together?
How you slow down and then still hit something?
And fall. And why the car was parked right there, blocking the view for them to turn?
Yo, you remember when I said can it get any more spooky?
Baby, my hair.
I think it just got spooky.
We only a minute into this video.
Your eyes watering. You okay?
I'm not okay.
Bro.
How is this ever legal?
Alright.
My Lord.
Alright. We're only a minute in.
My heart is racing. Oh, they showing off.
They just showed us how unstable these cars actually is. Yo, he eating that curve up. Oh.
They laughing.
Yeah, you laughing. They got kids out there.
I can't. What in the world? Y'all want our anxiety to be up. Y'all want us to have bad dreams tonight. Oh.
I don't think I got no any more scream in me.
I'm traumatized.
Oh.
He's still driving?
Bro, are you serious?
Like they just, like they didn't flinch. They didn't do nothing.
But did you see the amount of support they had in there?
Yeah.
More supported now.
Sitting in there.
They supported real good. They comfy.
I couldn't be the passenger.
Oh.
Oh. Woo!
Get back over here. Come here. We ain't done. We gonna do this together.
I saw one of them people got hurt bad.
Bro, no. I think what happened was when that
bad.
car flipped and he straightened it back up and he was in reverse with it. Looked like I don't think he hit anybody.
I saw an actual body. Man, that oh.
So ain't no slowing down. You got cars that's coming behind you. Get up. Oh, they love that.
It's the people having to run for me.
It's funny until somebody get hurt, man.
Who did that?
Oh, this is too narrow. Oh, this is really narrow.
Oh, Lord, they got my blood pressure up.
Nice.
I couldn't be the cameraman. He was too calm for me. Get out the way.
Cut up then. Okay.
Oh, he was showing up.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my God.
I know. I got who they talking about.
Keep going after
Yeah,
that.
that's.
I couldn't. Oh Lord.
That way you drag racing.
What?
That's nice as hell. That boy killed
That
that.
was good.
He killed that.
Please be okay. That was a bad accident.
Hell, boy. He slapped.
The windshield caved in on him.
Hey.
And then knocked him a couple times.
Yeah, I thought watching these boys race was big, but it just got bigger.
I'm traumatized.
telling them to move from there.
What the?
Bring up though. Oh, it's the finish line.
Oh.
Psych. Oh, he turning around. I ain't understand that last part. What he was trying to do.
I think it's a finish line.
Yeah, I think that's a finish line.
I think he was trying to do a rollie or something. Baby, I'm traumatized. I ain't got nothing to say. I'm traumatized. There was a lot of people who I feel like we have watched their demise. Like, that lady hit her whole head on a car. Another
Like,
one.
you can't. How you avoid a car coming at 120 miles plus? Like, how you get out of the way of that? That's basically a bullet. You can't dodge that.
You can't blame the drivers because you know the people know what they're getting into before they go there.
Right. But it's when the cars start flipping and like when I see them come up on a cliff and they coming as fast as they're going and then they got to do a turn where you're standing, I just don't trust that.
I definitely don't think no kids out there.
Nah, because I've seen in here where the car was supposed to turn and he didn't. He kept straight while people were standing right there. So I'm like, yo, that is mad different, spooky. Like, people are literally standing there. Different, bro. It's different.
This one hurt my heart.
Yeah, I seen you tried to get away from it. I couldn't let you.
It hurt my heart.
You wasn't about to let me watch this by myself. I needed support. Lean on me.
Oh my God.
When you're not strong.
I needed that. I need some wine after this.
Something needed
to
purify me, Lord.
Lord, Jesus drank wine. Like this video, y'all.
She wasn't ready.
I was not. We're on the road to 50K. Help us get there, all right? Share our video out to your friends. We'll see y'all soon.
Peace.